You are solving the mystery and you will see the message from the math teachers. Number 1, -4 add 5. So remember the song, row, row, row the boat song? Same side add and keep, different sides subtract. Keep the side of higher number, then you'll be exact. So use that song so we can finish this note. So the first one we have -4 add 5. So they are different side. So we go into subtract and keep the side of higher number. So 5 subtract 4, you get 1. Higher number is 5. So we still keep it at positive. So 1, we have letter M. So we're gonna find down here any number that have 1, we're gonna substitute with letter M. So I find 1 right here and 1 right here. And we're going to move on to number 2. Number 2, we have 12 subtract to 21. Subtraction. So we're gonna use KAO. Keep the first number, change subtraction to addition, add, opposite of 21 is -21. Now they are different sides, so you are going to subtract. 21 subtract to 12 is 9. And make sure this is negative. Keep the side of higher number, so the answer is -9. So for -9, it stands with the letter Y. So this is Y for -9. This is Y for -9. Number 3, -7 add -3. So now they are same size. So same size, we're going to add. 7 add 3 is 10. And keep the sign, so it's -10. So for -10, we have letter A. This is A for -10, and this is A for -10. So we have only 2 numbers that have -10, 2 letters. Number 4, we have -5 multiply with 13. Multiplication. So 13 multiplied with 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Remember 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Add 1 is 6. 65. But remember, Dorito Man, negative, negative, positive. So a negative multiplied with a positive, the answers need to be negative. -65. So for -65, we have letter E. We have letter E for -65, and this is for letter E as well. Number 5, we have -28 divide -4. So 28 divide 4, I got 7. And negative divide by a negative. Remember Dorito Man? So negative divided by negative, you have a positive answer. So +7 for letter T. +7, you have letter T. So we have 2T. And that's it. Number 6, we have 12 multiplied with 0.3. 12 multiplied with 0.3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 0 times 2 is 0, 0. So we have 630. And we have 1 decimal, so we're going to move 1 decimal. So we have 3.6 is the answer. So for 3.6, we have letter U. 3.6, we have letter U. So we have 2U. Number 7, 28.72 divide 0.4. 28.72 divide 0.4. All right, to divide a decimal, we're gonna move the divisor until we have a whole number is 4. We do for the divisor, we have to do for the dividend, move one decimal. So we have 287.2 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4, 2 divided by, and put the decimal on top. 2 divided by 4, you can't do that. 28 divided by 4, you got 7. 7 times 4, 28. We dropped out the 7. So 7 divided 4, how many times that 4 going to 7? 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Drop down the 2. 32 divided by 4, you got 8. 8 times 4, 32. So the answer is 71.8. So for 71.8, you got letter I. All right, number 8. 4.2 minus 1.37. 4.2 minus 1.37. So we have to borrow a 0, fill in the 0. We're gonna subtract. So 0 minus 7, I can't do that, so I need to borrow 1. So 10 minus 7, I got 3. 2 minus 3, I can't do that, so I need to borrow 1. And 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 take 1 away, it is 8. And 4 minus 1 is 3, take 1 away is 2. So 2.83. So for number 8, this answer is 2.83. We have letter D. Okay. Number 9. 13.2 minus 2 minus 2.7. So subtraction. So we're gonna use KAO. Keep, add, opposite. So we have 13.2 add opposite. So opposite of negative 2.7 is positive 2.7. So we have 13.2 add 2.7. I'm running out of space, so I have to erase my scratch word on the side right here. So I have more space to do math. All right. So 13.2 add 2.7. 2 add 7 is 9. 3 add 2 is 5. 1 add 0 is 1. So I have 15.9 for letter O. So 15.9 for letter O. I have O right here and O right there. Number 10. 12 plus negative 12. This is different side. One is positive, one is negative. So different side we have to subtract. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So for letter, for 0, we got letter R. For 0, we got letter R. Number 11. We have 3 raised to the power of 2, or we can call it 3 square. So 3 raised to the power of 2 means 3 times 3, not 3 times 2. So 3 multiplied by itself. 3 times 3 is 9. So for 9, we have letter W. And we have only one W. Number 12. 7.8 divide negative 4. 7.8 divide negative 4. So I just divide by 4 first. So 7 divide 4. How many times that 4 going to 7? I have 1 time. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. I drop down the 8. Don't forget your decimal. Line up your decimal. So 38 divided by 4. How many times that 4 going to 38? I got 9. Because 9 times 4 is 36. 38 minus 36 is 2. I borrow 0. 20 divided by 4. 5 times. 5 times 4, 20. So 1.95. But remember, Dorito Man say a positive divided by a negative, your answer is negative. So negative 1.95. We have letter N. Fill in letter N. The last one is 2 plus 0.5 in the parentheses multiply with 3. Remember PEMDAS. PEMDAS. So we're going to do the parentheses first. So 2 plus 0.5, I have 2.5. 2.5 times 3 is 7.5. So for 7.5, we have letter S. And we're going to fill in that S for 7.5 and that's S for 7.5. And we are finished the mystery, and you see the message from the math teachers. You matter and we miss you. That's all we want to tell you.